Today, we're going to talk about planning and designing your garden layout. When it comes to gardening, planning and design are key to success. A well-designed garden not only looks beautiful, but it also helps to maximize space and productivity. The first step in planning your garden layout is to sketch out a rough plan. This doesn't have to be a work of art, but it should include the location of your garden, the size and shape of the area, and any existing features such as trees or buildings. Next, consider the amount of sunlight that different areas of your garden receive. This is important because different plants have different sunlight requirements. You can make a sun chart by noting the hours of sun received by different areas of your garden throughout the day. Once you have an idea of the sunlight patterns in your garden, you can start planning what to plant. Make a list of the plants you want to grow, taking into account their sunlight requirements, size, and growth habits. Finally, you can start laying out your garden beds. Keep in mind the spacing requirements of your plants, and try to group plants with similar sunlight and water needs together. Check the link below to start your journey to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!